Today we are making a 30-minute healthy Nigerian jollof rice with skillet chicken and vegetables plus a smoky pepper orange drizzle low in sodium.
Feel the fire from the kitchen to the world tonight. 30 minutes and the rhythm begins. Pan singing while the flavor moves in. Chicken golden in the dancing flame. Spices whisper every culture's name. Onions shining like sunrise gold. Bell peppers telling stories untold. Tomato paste when it dark and slow. That's the flavor power every chef must know. Steam rising like drums in the air. Every heartbeat flavor everywhere. No salt needed when the soul's this loud. Hear the whole world singing now. Jollof fire burning bright, no night. Red gold shining in the kitchen light. Every grain got a rhythm inside. Taste the love in every bite. Jollof fire, let the whole world see. From the skillet to eternity. Pepper orange drizzle falling like rain. Flavor dancing in my veins. Carrots glowing in a sunset hue. Peas jumping to the rhythm too. Spinach turning emerald green like the freshest garden scene. Blender spinning with the smoky breeze. Roasted pepper and the peanut teas. Orange sunshine in the sauce so sweet. Flavor moving to the beat. Steam rising like drums in the sky. Chicken tender while the rice gets high. Every spoon bring the joy around. Hear the global kitchen sound. Jollof fire burning bright tonight. Red gold shining in the kitchen light. Every grain got a rhythm inside. Taste the love in every bite. Jollof fire, let the whole world see. From the skillet to eternity. Pepper orange drizzle falling like rain. Flavor dancing in my veins. From Lego streets to the Caribbean time. From soul food kitchen worldwide. One part rhythm everybody feel. Food and music make it real. Raise your spoon to the glowing flame. Different cultures, one sweet name. Let the whole world taste tonight. Jollof rising in the light. Jollof fire burning bright tonight. Red gold shining in the kitchen light. Every grain got a rhythm inside. Taste the love in every bite. Every bite. Jollof fire, let the whole world see. Let the whole world flavor love in a diamond ring. Diamond ring. From the skillet to the stars in flight. Jollof fire tonight.
Thank you, family, for joining me today with my friends.
Goodbye. Bye.
Try this recipe and enjoy with family or friends and leave a comment down below. We know you will enjoy it.